Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a glass, so let's get started. First, draw a line out and down. Again. Just following with me. And a line. Now, draw two lumpy eyes. Inside with a circle. And another smaller circle. A curve inside. With three lines. And the mouth. Now we have a cute glass. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.